Hey fam, welcome back to our traveling vlog. It's day 3 of the traveling vlog in Mpumalanga, Hoyo Hoyo Hotel, Angel's View. So here we're just like down for breakfast. Yeah, we're in a restaurant down for breakfast. That's it.
Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly, we can fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love.
This is what I had for breakfast.
Gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Handsome Mashale, aka Mrs. Mesh, aka Ngwachau Ngwamhlengwe. So guys, we are in Mpumalanga. Like, I should have done this intro yesterday because we arrived here yesterday on the 7th of January. Today is the 8th of January, so we'll be here for like few days, taking a break, resting our bodies, doing activities and stuff like that. So today, the 8th of January, we have dedicated it to seeing the waterfalls in Mpumalanga. Like, Mpumalanga has, I think it's 7 waterfalls, and the one that we are going to be able to see, it's only 6 because the other one is very much far from us. We are staying at Kranskop in Angel's View Hotel. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I think our stay is going to be like maybe part 1 and part 2. If I don't do part 3, like, I don't want it to be very long. Also, I don't want to stay in one thing for a very long time. So yeah, bye. I'll keep you updated. We're going to God's Window because we've been trying for like almost 2 years to go to God's Window, but every time when we try to go there was a mist, and now today was our day, our lucky day. Entrance is 45 rand, adults. I don't know how much do kids pay, but adults is 45 rand. guys, we are at God's window and this is the first view of God's window. I don't know if you can see, the view is beautiful. If I start rush the beauty, the beauty, the beauty.
khandziya loko humelela ku lani ne a ku lavi munhu a nga pfukangi, a ku lavi munhu a ri ku vabyeni i nga tikuma i admitiwini.
I wanna buy that book. I saw it.
Please buy it. It's a good book. Yeah.
I saw the list of books I wanna buy.
It's a very good book. I don't regret buying it. Yeah.
Ani mani vona mina ntukula n'wi Gezana Thomas se a no ti tshamela hansi because I was very tired. Yo, I was very tired. I was exhausted. Yo.
Finally arrived.
Yo, guys, we are done with God's window now. We are going to the waterfalls. I'm tired. The steps I took today, ne? Yo, I don't know if the quality of this video is going to be good because I'm using a front camera. I'm lazy to turn the phone around. Like, I'm so tired. Keep you updated. Bye.
This is Berlin Waterfall or Berlin Waterfall. Entrance fee is 45 rand. Adult, let's go. Ani ku vanhu loko xavisa swindlopfandlopfana ni Mpumalanga, they are all over like and my problem with these people, my problem with these vendors is that they sell us South African using the price that they charge the foreigners. Like, I cannot buy a small elephant for 200 but niendla ini yo. What is special about Lisbon Waterfall is that it is 94 meters tall, which makes it the highest waterfall in Mpumalanga, being number 1. It is named after a Portuguese capital. It's beautiful. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, another update. Hilelon Creek waterfall. I think this is the third waterfall so far that we went to. The downside of this waterfall, ikure from the main road to here, akufambeki kahle, like yo ishikontiri lesha shingana magojugoji lesha shingana gravel ishikontiri lesha gravel, and then but now we're here, and I think from the waterfalls that we went to, this one is the most expensive because it's 50 rand. The other two that we went to, it was 25, and then this one is 50 rand. I'll keep you updated. Bye.
And I thought these bags were cute, so I bought that one that my husband is holding there. Love it, love it. Another thing about this place is he should not be a very sympathetic person, because you'll go home with 0 rand in your bank balance. These people can make you buy like everything. You'll find yourself buying everything. Okay, let's leave that. So hele make waterfall here, and then it didn't got the waterfalls later because we're also tired. And then I think we ended up going to 4. Yeah, it was 4 instead of 6. Back to the hotel, freshened up. Now we're going out for dinner. Not out, but we're just going to the restaurant for dinner. timhaka ta umbrella leyi nga finingeta mali na mani tivi. So this brings us to the end of this video. See you on the next one. Bye.